Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Dory at Dory's Dolly and I would like to invite you to three things this coming month. In December, on the 3rd, is Amaya Raine Day. On the 16th is Dolls Gone Goth, and on the 18th is Hi Barbie. We ask you to join in every month. It's a challenge. And the theme is Merry and Bright. Now you're thinking, how is Dolls Gone Goth merry and bright? Any way you want, any doll you want, we don't care. We just want you to join in the fun. It's Christmas time. Put your doll in a Christmas situation, dress them for Christmas, make them a Christmas dress, anything at all. We just want you to participate. Dory, you make this so much fun every month. Thank you. Thank you all for watching our channels, for participating, and mostly for leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Merry Christmas coming quick.